Well, this is Red Beach, where the Americans landed in 1942 here in the Solomon Islands, Guadalcanal. And we got a monument here. Looks like it's somewhat freshly made too here.
Yeah, this is not all that old.
And I'll get a close-up picture of that in a minute so you can see it. And got the beach down here. Looks like some folks in the beach or in the water. They got a nice beach where you have shade on the beach. And there it is. So this is where the Americans landed, all from back here all the way up where you can't see back over there. Red Beach, R-E-D. So water doesn't look too clear, nice color. Some people walking down to the beach to put their toes in the water. A nice big, I don't know if that's a shell down there or a coconut or something down there, but anywho, all right. It looks like this monument is something freshly new, like just made, because the plaque is just paper covered and sealed in plastic. But these look like some old rusted guns, I don't know, from back in the day here, but looks like a piece of wood, but it's actually metal that's all been rusted out here. It's like a mighty small gun, and I don't even know if this would be from 1942, World War II, or not. Here's another gun emplacement where a gun would be mounted here and twisted around so you could see. And probably the trees weren't there then, I would guess. But and here's another access to the beach down here. Everybody's sticking their toesies in the water. Nice little place down here. Here we go. Oh, maybe the tide's coming in here. I don't know. All right.